Quality replacement. This transmission cooler connector matches the fit and function of the original equipment connector. Durable construction. This oil cooler line connector is made of quality materials for a precise fit and leak-free durability. Performance tested. This connector has been rigorously pressure tested to ensure reliable performance. Ideal shop supply. This connector is recommended to have on hand anytime service is being performed on the transmission oil cooler line. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Made of quality materials. This automatic transmission oil cooler line connector matches the fit and function of a damaged original equipment connector to restore leak-free performance between the transmission and the oil cooler. Top reviews from the United States. Great quick connect transmission line adapter. I liked the fact the adapter was pre-coated with thread sealant, making installation a snap. No wrapping the threads or applying thread sealant.